I'm Garrett Sander. I'm the lead designer at Mattel for Monster High, and I'm going to tell you a little about some of the new product that we have coming out. So, just released on shelves is Spectra of Undergeist. She's the daughter of the ghost. Her limbs do go clear, so she's disappearing just like a ghost would, and she comes with her pet ferret Ruin, who is a ghost ferret. Next to her we have Abby Abominable. She's the daughter of the Abominable Snowman. She'll be available in August of this year, so she'll be out very soon. And she comes with her pet woolly mammoth Shiver. And then here at Comic-Con we've unveiled two brand new dolls. First up is Toralei Stripe. She's the daughter of the Werecat. She's sort of the antagonist for our girls in the show. And she comes with her pet saber-tooth tiger Sweet Fang. She will have a bendable tail as well.
Oh, I didn't notice that before.
Yes, she has a tail back there.
I'm so glad that I stopped you and you told me about that.
And then next to her we have Nefera de Nile, who is Cleo's older sister, and she features an entirely new sculpt as well. She's taller than the rest of the girls since she's older, and she's already graduated from Monster High. And she comes with her pet scarab Azura.
Okay, so does this mean that we're going to see next year's dolls will all have somewhat new body styles?
Only Nefera has a new body.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great, that's very interesting. Anything else you want to tell us about these dolls?
We're very excited how much everyone's loving them. We love all the fans, so thank you very much.
Yeah, so many cosplayers were in yesterday.
Yes, it was great. It's great to see it.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Great show.
To kill me, I guess I'm doing okay. I'm lost among the millions, just an empty head filled with the sky. I separated my life between the boy